Come here. Don't tell anyone, but I've got an amazing recipe for vegan mayonnaise. You'll never want to buy mayonnaise, normal or vegan, again. So today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan mayonnaise that just is amazing. You're going to love it. So this vegan mayonnaise is rich, it's creamy, it's indulgent, it's everything it says on the tin if it came in a tin. You know what I mean. Right, so in here I've got some soy milk, and we're going to add to that soy milk, we're going to add a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. We're also going to add the same amount of lemon juice. And we're just going to give that a whiz with my hand blender. Touch of salt. Now, oil. We need 200 ml of oil. This is sunflower oil because it's what I have. Normally I'd use grapeseed oil. You want to use an oil that isn't strong and potent in flavour. So a mild olive oil is great. Sunflower oil doesn't have a strong flavour. Rapeseed oil is great if you get a mild one. And grapeseed oil is probably the best, I would say, to use in it. So what we're going to do is whiz this slowly and add the oil. Look at that. Rich, creamy. Oh. Oh, that's so good. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how easy it is to transform this base mayonnaise into any mayonnaise you want, really. So I'm going to make a herb and chili mayonnaise, which is one of my favourites. All I could get at the farm shop was curly parsley. That's all I could get. If you're going to use a parsley in something mild, like a sauce with something that isn't strong in flavour, you want to use curly parsley because it's nowhere near as intense as flat parsley, and the flavour is just delicious in curly parsley. So if we stick this, half of this in another bowl, let's grab we're going to chop it finely, so don't worry about getting any stems in there. And there's a lot of flavour in stems. Sometimes it's good to just grab it in one big bunch and slowly chop away. Now you can use coriander, thyme, parsley I'm using, anything, oregano, whatever you like. Right, the humble chili. The chili, you can, if you like stuff really spicy, you can leave the seeds in or you can take them out. On this occasion, I will take them out. We're not going to need more than half a chili for the amount we've made. So we're just going to dice this up into fine little flecks of red, beautiful chili. This adds a bit of texture as well as colour. It's beautiful. a bit of zing. Right, scoop it up, get it in there. Just give that a really good mix. This will keep for up to a week in the fridge. There you have it, vegan mayonnaise in 2 minutes. And as I've just shown you in another 2 minutes, you can just add your favourite flavourings to this base mayonnaise and create something delicious for your friends and family. I've got some incredible vegan salads coming up for you soon, so keep an eye out for those, and I'll see you next time.